Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Glitzy Slime&Stuff. And today I am gonna do this Siri Picks My Slime challenge. So I got this video because I really want to try it out because recently many people have done it on YouTube and I really want to try it out. So let's get started. First up, we're starting with the glue. Siri, pick a number between 1 and 4.
4.
Okay, I got the 4 one. So yeah, then it says that I'm going to use the glow in the dark glue. Okay, so now I'm going to pour in the glue. Next. So next ingredients is if I'm gonna put glitter in it or not. So yeah. Siri, pick a number between 1 and 2.
The answer is 1.
Okay, so I got the glitter. Let's pour in the glitter. Okay, we say that's good. Okay, next ingredients if I'm gonna put instant snow or if I'm gonna put model magic in it. Next ingredients is if I'm gonna put instant snow or model magic in it. So let's get started. Siri, pick a random number between 1 and 2.
It's 2.
Okay, so I got the model magic. So I was hoping for the instant snow, but who cares? So I'm putting this model magic for late, so when the slime is finished. So, yeah. The final ingredients is the scented thing. So yeah. Okay, so this is the last ingredients. So yeah. Siri, pick a number between 1 and 2.
It's 2.
Okay, so I was really hoping for the lavender, but I got this eucalyptus, this one. So let's pour it in. I'm not taking so much. Okay. A little bit of Tide in it. Now I'm gonna put the Tide in, or like the activator. You can use whatever you want. You can use Tide, activator, whatever. Borax. Okay, that was just pour a little bit in. A little bit sticky. Or no, or a little bit. Oh, this is so beautiful. Where I really like the color of it. Comment down below if you think that this color is pretty. I got more purple than pink because the tide is blue and you know pink and blue turns purple. But yeah, I think the slime is finished. So let's put the model magic in it. It's gonna take so much because this is a very little slime. Take a little. Ooh. Now I have mixed it in. So let's go and test it out. Oh, I forgot to say, tomorrow it is Christmas morning and I'm so excited to open presents. But Christmas is not all about presents. Okay, I'm gonna test it out. We got this paper. Test it on this bottle. Okay, great. So now I'm gonna test buttery. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you like it, subscribe, turn on that post notification, and yeah, Merry Christmas!